Welcome to an edition of Wardy Screencast showing you Google Meet. This is a new video chat, kind of the old Google Hangouts, but they have a video chat version that we're going to use for conferencing. I'm going to use it for quote-unquote virtual office hours, which I'm going to have, I believe I said in the syllabus, from 3:30 to 4 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays, which would be our class time. 4 o'clock is not a cutoff. If we're in the middle of talking about something, I'm not going to say, well, it's 4 o'clock, I got to go. We'll finish talking about it. But if it gets to be about 3:50, 4 o'clock, nobody signed on, then I'm probably going to say office hours over. If office hours don't work for you, you can obviously just shoot me an email, tell me a time that works for you. I'm going to work with you. Bottom line is, try to make this quick on Google Hangout. So on your own kind of Comp 92, the homepage in Blackboard, in the announcements, I'll say, hey, office hours, here's a link. Or if we have, I set up conferences, and it'll kind of just be one after the other, as if we were in class, have you sign up. I'll probably put a link to it here. You click the link and get into Google Meet. You would actually it'll give you like this link here. I'm not going to click it because this is an old email I got about a prior Google Meet. But you click on it and it will let you join. It would literally just say, hey, join. If you had the code, you could put it here. Again, I'll take you right to it. I'm just going to continue on as if I'm starting a Google Meet because I want to show you a couple things. So I'm going to start your camera. And whoa, how about that light? And kind of shows this. So join now. So I'm going to join. All right. Could add people, but I'm just going to kind of go with this for now. So I want to show you a couple things. So this is, and pardon the light, I got horrible lighting down here. I'll work on that. Not used to doing stuff at home virtually. Much like all of you, this is new for me too. So we're going to work through this together. I promise you that. Down here, if you want to mute yourself, say we're doing conferences, or hey, I got 3 or 4 of you during office hours. If you're not talking, I'm going to say hit the mute button. And your reason I would say is hit the mute button is then you can't, not everybody will be talking at once. It kind of eliminates the sound. My golden retriever starts barking. I'm going to mute it. Yeah. The other thing would be this. I want to hide the camera. I don't want anybody seeing me. Just click that. Nobody can see you. Still hear you. Nobody can see you. I may or may not do that if, probably leave it on though. If I wanted to turn on closed captioning, I could do that. And now all of a sudden, look, everybody can read what I'm saying. In fact, I may do this if we were doing some kind of live thing. But we'll see how that plays out. I'm going to turn it off for now. Present. Say you have a question about your writing and you want to kind of put it up on the screen and show me what you're talking about. You hit present now. You can present your entire screen that you're on or just a window. So I'm going to click a window and I'm going to go with this. Notice I have a bunch of different like tabs open basically. This is the one I'm in right now. So I'm just going to go with that. And it would share it to me or anybody else that's in it. The screen. Notice I can't see anymore. So here's what you would now see if I was presenting. Firm coronavirus. Don't ask why I had this up. Let's update it and see what's gone up since yesterday. No, guess we're waiting for the governor today to come on and tell us. Anyway, wow. All right, let's get off of this. Let's think happy thoughts. So anyway, you could go into the Google Doc and here, like the syllabus. So you wanted to point something out and show me. Now all of a sudden, I would be seeing this. This is what I'd be seeing. So I could say, hey, what do you think of this line? Can you type the comment? We can go back and you can ask me and I can virtually tell you. If it's shared with me, we can obviously go back and forth that way too. Stop presenting, just hit stop. It's going back to me in the camera. At the end, when you're done, make sure you hit this leave call, would hang up, and you'd be done. And really, that's all there is to Google Meet. Again, we're going to use this. It's almost like we're together. Wow, my forehead's bald and shiny. All right, let's get out of this, and I got to fix that lighting. Professor Wardy is over and out. Of course, that's just ending that.